Hello everyone, myself Dr. Srinivas. So in this video, we are going to look at the summary of the chapter 3 from Just Shut Up and Do It book, Dare to Go Forward. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Voice of Incredible Skin Srinivas. So let's begin. Dare to go forward. Transform your fears into confidence. Nothing splendid has ever been achieved except by those who dared believe that something inside of them was superior to the circumstances present outside. Believe in yourself. Start with action, not hesitation. Success begins with a sense of urgency to take immediate action on your goals. What is the major obstacle for this? Yes, you know it already. It is fear, fear of failure, fear of criticism, fear of rejection. Okay? Overcome fear by consciously taking control of your thoughts and actions. Remember, courage is rightly considered the foremost of the virtues, for upon it all others depend. Build confidence to crush fear. Self confidence is the antidote for fear and the energy source for achieving greatness. Just imagine your life if you are absolutely fearless. What risks would you take? What dreams would you pursue? Visualize yourself succeeding despite the fear. Feel the power of the courage in the actions you are taking. Everything comes down to courage at the sticking point. Embrace the fear to erase the fear. Everyone feels fear, but successful people face it head on. Take small, deliberate steps to confront what scares you. Repetition weakens the fear's grip. Do the thing you fear, and the death of fear is certain. Stop worrying about others' opinions. Most fears which we have stem from worrying about what others think. वो क्या सोचेंगे ये क्या सोचेंगे, often a result of early criticism which we had in our childhood. Reality is no one, yes, no F person is thinking about you as much as you imagine. So, a small tip: never stay in a bad situation because of fear of criticism. Muster the courage to move forward. Take arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing, end them. Double your failures to double your success. Yes, you heard it right. If you want to increase your success rate, double your failure rate. Fear of rejection disappears with consistent actions taken by you. Example: set a 100 attempt goal, solve 100 MCQs, read 100 memory based facts, or take 100 minutes of non stop study period every day without worrying about the outcomes. From failure to feedback, replace the word failure whenever you give any GT. If you get less marks, very bad rank, don't use this word failure, but instead use this term learning experience. Each failure brings you closer to the success if you learn and adapt. So here are some success formulae. First thing, decide what you want. Second thing, take action immediately. Third, learn quickly from setbacks. Fourth one, try again until you succeed. So, just for example of the grand test, so decide that you want to progressively improve the GT score. Take action immediately, give the GTs, and also do the reviews. Learn quickly from the setbacks. So, what does this mean? Do review whatever you have made mistakes. Okay, don't try to read everything. Finally, try again until you succeed. So give again the next GT and try to have the score progressively improved. Act as if it were impossible to fail, and it shall be. Transformative mindset tips. So failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Whatever you want also wants you. Do remember this. So, what is that takeaway which you need to remember? Fail fast, fail often, and fail forward. Give GTs, give as many possible GTs as possible. Every step forward builds resilience and courage. Dare to go forward, dare to go forward. Write down one fear holding you back and commit to facing it this very week, or most likely this day. Take small steps daily to build confidence and momentum. To be scared is to give up your power. Do what scares you and you gain it back. Remember, students, you are all awesome. Believe in yourself. You are great. Your courage today shapes your success tomorrow. Dare to go forward. Dare to go forward. All the very best. I hope this video was helpful. Please do hit that like button if it was helpful. Do share this among your friends who need this motivational words about going forward to achieve the greatest of the success which they want to always achieve. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're new, and also do comment I will win. I will win in the comment section. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next video. Happy learning. Bye bye.